So was it cracked on the guard?
It was where they meet, where the guard and the bumper meets, because it's been filled.
Yeah.
It had cracked and damaged, so it was easier just to V it all out and start all over again than it was to just fill over it.
Prep those other bits, so that's going to go ready for primer.
Yep.
Go into the booth. Walk us through this, Joe.
Well, it was a bit tricky to get the parts that we needed, well, the angles we needed to get it up to where we did. So we managed to cut and pie cut the exhaust to get it all to fit into place. And that seems to sit up there quite nice and tidy.
Yeah, really tucked away nice. Yep. Oh yeah.
So put a flange on the end of the halfway up there so that we have easy access to be able to get the system out if need be.
That's great. And then we've tucked that up as tight as we can along here, right?
Yep. So that's got this. We don't want it much closer just for movement of the exhaust. And yeah. So yeah.
And up and under. And then right up into those beautiful ceramic coated headers.
Still right.
It's really good, Jason. Happy with that?
Yeah.
What have we done here? That's just...
That's for the air cleaner.
All right, to cut away so we can get the air cleaner to fit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, because the air cleaner's really tight around the headlamp still, which we thought it would be.
Well, that's bloody great. Look at that.
Air cleaner does come up hard against the headlight.
Yeah.
That's why we've had to take a little bit more out of there. So I might still have to just alter this bracket slightly, but it won't be much. And I don't want to go smaller. That's as small as I want to go on the air cleaner.
Yeah, because it's a nice, good capacity. We don't want to go too small, but that'll be tucked in good.
Yeah, and also one of the byproducts I think I said will be that it will actually get cold air from in front of the radiator. Yeah. So, because the air, a lot of your air does actually go round the radiator.
Yeah, and that'll be cool air, right?
Cool air. So, what it loses being jammed up there, it'll gain there.
Nice.
So, no, I'm really happy with that. It's just, it's really tight. But you always need to fit the biggest air cleaner you can. You know, get that out. So this was where it was at, but see, we've made holes here, just because it wasn't just quite working what we did. So it just, you don't need to film them. They're just little holes so we can pass them through. I'm just going to fix this bit of grotty wiring here. I was halfway through that on Friday when everything got a bit much, and so we'll bring that up there so it will be hard against, it's as tidy as we can get it.
Jolie, something a little better. You reckon you'll be able to do something with that, mate?
Yeah, man, that's it's a good place to start. So much better than the other one. I don't know if anyone else has seen it, but it was a bit putty.
Very putty.
So this one's 50% putty instead of 80% putty.
I never had all that crap here.
Yeah, bits were cut out.
So that came all the way from Hillside Dismantlers and Upper Hutt. Thanks, boys. Yeah, awesome, man.
Nice.
Do your magicalness with that,
Yeah,
Joel.
we will. It'll be good.